There everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to change your password on Facebook Lite. So first of all, go into your Facebook Lite. Next, you'll have to click the icon on the top right hand side with the three lines right over here. Now go into your settings and security and password. Here you'll see an option to change password. Now write down your current password and the password you want to create, or the new password. Next, so if you want it logged in, stay logged in, and if you want to review your account on other devices, just click the other option. Right now I want to stay logged in, so I'll just click here and continue, and I have changed my password, and that's how you change your password on Facebook Lite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and bye.